Good morning. It's day 115 on the trail and second day of the SOBO portion of the flip-flop. We stayed in the shelter last night, Coach and I, and it was a good call because about 10 o'clock last night it started to rain till almost 4 a.m. pretty steadily, and got to pack up dry. Of course, everything I was wearing yesterday in the rain is soaking wet, but hopefully this morning there's some blue sky, the clouds are moving, there's a pretty good breeze, and the sun is occasionally out, so hopefully in a couple hours when the sun gets a little bit higher I can put out some of the stuff to dry. Find a nice spot. There's a shelter in 4 miles, so I get it water. Because after that, there's a super big climb today. It's I don't want to say the longest climb we've had in quite a while, but 3,000 feet over 4 miles, and it heads up to the priest shelter where you can go and confess your sins or read all about your fellow hikers' sins. So I'll pick out some example ones and maybe do a video or maybe send some pictures. So, but anyway, big day today. About the same mileage as yesterday, but over 6,000 feet of climbing, over basically 2 climbs, and then just the little ups and downs of the day. So with any luck, we'll get some nice views from the top. I'm not actually sure the name of the priest shelter mountain, but I will figure that out, and hopefully we'll get some views up there. Still a chance of rain today. Hopefully it'll hold off or fizzle, but if not, you get wet again. Anyway, ducky out on what is currently a beautiful morning, and that is the orb that you see kind of peeking through the trees. So this is the view from about halfway up 3 ridges, and that's probably where we're going. So we're about to hit the low point of today, just over 900 feet. This morning we were at nearly 4,000 feet, and had a big 3,000 foot descent, and now we have a 3,100 foot climb. We get a little over 4,000 feet. Right now we're on a very bouncy suspension bridge over the Tai River, and we're about to climb probably Priest Mountain. It's the Priest shelter, so I'm wondering if the mountain is also Priest, but there was no obvious name when I glanced at it, so not exactly sure, but in any event, here we go. Howdy, howdy. We're about 2/3 of the way up the Priest climb, and this is the view we got down into the valley. Quite nice. A little bit of a breeze. Temperatures are cooling a little bit. It's really humid down at the bottom, but not quite so humid up top. And I don't know, it doesn't look like rain per se, but still a chance today, so we'll see what happens. So we're up top of the Priest Mountain, off to the other side, and got some great views. It's hazy though, so not seeing forever, but it's pretty good views. And then there's a pretty good drop off down there. Yeah. But made to the top, 3,100 feet of climbing, just over 4K, and it's pretty much just a little ups and downs. Another 7 miles to get to the shelter tonight, and should get in a little bit earlier than we did last night. So I'm on top of Spy Rock, past the Priest Mountain, and took the Blue Blaze side trail. And I'm getting nice 360 degree views. Probably some rain back that direction. And then back to where we started from. But quite beautiful in the Blue Ridge Mountains. So the direction I started is just east of south. So this mountain right here is south of me right now.